Diamond Aircraft's experimentation with electric aircraft began a decade ago when they unveiled their hybrid DA36 E-Star, a modified HK-36 motor glider. Its sequel arrived 2 years later, the E-Star 2, sporting increased payload and performance. Continued collaboration with corporate partner Siemens brought the HEMEP, the hybrid electric multi-engine. After years of development, Diamond feels confident that technology has matured enough to offer their first fully electric general aviation trainer, the eDA40. Partnering with battery technology company Electric Power Systems, Diamond will integrate their EPIC ecosystem into the aircraft. The DC fast charging systems promises to turn around a depleted aircraft in less than 20 minutes after it refills the custom-designed belly pod and forward bulkhead. EPIC batteries have been on track for TSO authorization in Q2 2022, with systems already successfully taking flight throughout 20 unique battery systems for electric aircraft. The system is expected to cut operating costs about 40% compared to traditional piston trainer. In its initial release state, runtime is expected up to 90 minutes in flight until further battery system evolution enhances performance further.